Gentlemen, do you ever walk into a room and feel completely unnoticed? The harsh truth is that many men over 40 become practically invisible because they surrender to sloppy, shapeless clothing. Society ignores men who stop caring about their presentation. But you do not have to fade into the background. Today, we are unlocking 15 sophisticated, old money outfit formulas designed to instantly restore your visual authority and command immediate respect. To master the art of mature, powerful dressing, please subscribe to the Man Style Decree. 1. The structured shoulder solution. Men over 40 often become completely invisible because they surrender to shapeless, slouchy casual, where that erases their masculine silhouette. To instantly reclaim your physical presence, you must embrace the architectural power of a tailored sport coat. A teal cotton linen sport coat provides phenomenal upper body structure without the suffocating heat of traditional winter wool. This specific color commands attention while remaining deeply rooted in quiet luxury principles. Pairing it with perfectly tailored beige gabardine trousers creates a breathtakingly affluent spring contrast that completely refuses to be ignored. A crisp white pinpoint Oxford shirt underneath ensures absolute classical refinement. Securing a rich mahogany leather watch firmly anchors your visual authority. Stop fading into the background. Structured tailoring guarantees you remain visible. 2. The textured knit authority. Another major reason mature men fade from view is their reliance on juvenile graphic shirts that broadcast a lack of sophistication. To command a room effortlessly, you must substitute basic cotton with profound textures. A mustard yellow ribbed knit polo is a magnificent weapon against invisibility. The intricate texture provides immense visual depth, while the vibrant, earthy tone projects absolute confidence and incredible old money charm. Tucking this luxurious garment into sharply tailored navy blue hopsack trousers creates a highly authoritative, breathtakingly balanced spring aesthetic. The dark trousers beautifully anchor the bold upper half. Equipping a sophisticated gold square-faced watch elevates your profile perfectly. Rejecting flat, boring fabrics is the ultimate secret to securing immediate respect. 3. The premium outerwear upgrade. Flimsy windbreakers instantly destroy a gentleman's aura, making him appear remarkably cheap and entirely forgettable. Upgrading your casual outerwear is a critical step toward restoring your personal presence. A plum purple suede jacket offers an astonishingly rich, tactile experience that immediately separates you from the ordinary crowd. This deep, luxurious color operates beautifully during the spring, radiating immense wealth and unyielding masculine maturity. Harmonizing this breathtaking outerwear with flawlessly tailored charcoal gray dress pants establishes a stunningly grounded, deeply sophisticated lower silhouette. Layering a pristine black lightweight merino turtleneck underneath provides a phenomenally clean, architectural core. Adding a sleek, dark titanium watch completely solidifies this masterful aesthetic. Superior outerwear absolutely guarantees you will never fade away. 4. The Artisanal Footwear Foundation. Many mature men become invisible simply because their footwear completely sabotages an otherwise decent outfit. Scuffed, clunky shoes immediately drain your visual authority. To command respect, you must anchor your wardrobe with breathtaking artisanal footwear. Chestnut brown double monk straps provide an incredibly striking, highly architectural design that practically demands attention. The rich leather patina exudes an undeniable aura of established old wealth. Matching these magnificent shoes with impeccably tailored light stone cotton twill trousers creates a phenomenally crisp, deeply sophisticated spring contrast. A tailored navy blue poplin button-down shirt provides a remarkably sharp, highly masculine upper profile. A classic steel dress watch beautifully complements the metallic shoe buckles. Immaculate footwear is the ultimate foundation for visibility. Five, the safari shirt dominance. Invisibility often stems from hiding behind excessively baggy garments that completely erase your natural proportions. Men over 40 must utilize garments that flatter their physique while maintaining supreme elegance. A terracotta linen blend safari shirt is an absolute masterclass in projecting a commanding, adventurous spirit. The structured chest pockets and beautiful drape add incredible visual interest without feeling restrictive. Coordinating this remarkably rich, earthy top with tailored olive green tropical wool trousers establishes a breathtakingly highly affluent spring palette. This magnificent color combination completely rejects the bland uniformity of modern casual wear. A robust bronze pilot watch perfectly underscores the exceptionally masculine, wealthy aesthetic. Emphasizing clean lines and impeccable tailoring guarantees, you constantly radiate immense power today. Six, the saturated color reintroduction. Relying exclusively on faded, washed-out tones washes out your complexion and aggressively ages your appearance. To stand out with incredible dignity, you must reintroduce deep, saturated colors into your rotation. A deep burgundy fine-gauge cardigan offers a phenomenal burst of highly sophisticated warmth that practically radiates established wealth. This exceptionally luxurious knitwear beautifully frames the torso while providing essential spring comfort. Layering this magnificent piece over a crisp white cotton crewneck instantly brightens your face. Matching the upper profile with flawlessly tailored cream-colored denim jeans creates a breathtaking, highly affluent visual contrast that demands immediate respect. Securing a minimalist platinum dress watch seamlessly finalizes the look. Mastering rich color palettes completely shields you from obscurity. Seven, the accessory signature. A completely unadorned outfit often looks unfinished, causing the wearer to blend into the scenery. Accessories act as crucial focal points that draw the eye and establish your unique personal signature. Draping a burnt orange linen scarf across your neckline immediately introduces a breathtaking level of old money sophistication. This incredibly lightweight piece provides necessary spring texture and a phenomenal pop of affluent color. Tucking it neatly beneath a classic tan Harrington jacket creates a highly structured, remarkably handsome upper silhouette. Coordinating these exceptional garments with flawlessly tailored navy blue chinos ensures the ensemble remains deeply grounded and incredibly mature. A classic gold chronograph watch adds subtle metallic brilliance. Strategic accessories absolutely guarantee your memorable presence. Eight, the Smart-Casual Adaptation. Wearing rigid corporate suits in relaxed settings makes you look deeply unapproachable and socially invisible. True elegance requires mastering the delicate balance of smart casual dressing. A slate blue suede shirt jacket is an absolute triumph for the mature gentleman navigating spring afternoons. It completely replaces the stiff blazer while retaining an impeccably tailored, highly masculine structure. The phenomenally soft texture practically radiates quiet luxury and undeniable wealth. Matching this breathtaking piece with perfectly tailored light gray tropical wool trousers establishes a stunningly crisp, immensely affluent visual dynamic. A white mock neck t-shirt underneath provides a brilliantly clean, highly modern foundation. Securing a sleek stainless steel dress watch effortlessly finalizes the look. Adapting your formality ensures relevance. Nine, the impeccable collar framing. Frayed, collapsing collars instantly communicate a terrible lack of self-respect, causing others to look right past you. The face is your primary focal point. Framing it correctly is absolutely essential. A pale yellow spread collar linen shirt offers a magnificent, highly structured neckline that commands immediate attention. The crisp collar stands beautifully, while the incredibly soft, optimistic color beautifully enhances a mature spring aesthetic. Harmonizing this phenomenally crafted shirt with flawlessly tailored navy blue linen blend pants creates a breathtakingly rich, highly affluent contrast that flatters the older physique perfectly. Adding classic tortoiseshell sunglasses introduces a brilliant touch of wealthy mystique. A vintage silver marine watch anchors the entire ensemble. Impeccable shirting absolutely guarantees your powerful presence today. Ten, the subtle pattern strategy. Flat, one-dimensional outfits completely fail to hold visual interest, allowing men to fade into obscurity. Introducing complex patterns is a brilliant strategy for retaining a highly commanding presence. A chocolate brown houndstooth blazer is an absolute masterpiece of old money tailoring. The intricate, traditional pattern practically radiates established wealth and unyielding masculine authority. This phenomenal outerwear completely elevates a basic spring afternoon ensemble into a deeply sophisticated statement. Matching this magnificent jacket with flawlessly tailored tan gabardine trousers establishes a breathtaking, highly earthy color palette. A light blue chambray shirt underneath provides an exceptionally clean, remarkably handsome core that balances the bold pattern. A classic bronze dress watch perfectly finalizes the look. Mastering patterns ensures visibility. 11. The transitional layering mastery. Many older gentlemen mistakenly believe they must choose between sloppy hoodies or stiff blazers, completely missing the highly sophisticated middle ground. A forest green corduroy overshirt provides an incredibly powerful, deeply textured solution that instantly elevates your casual presence. The rich, ribbed fabric practically screams quiet luxury while maintaining phenomenal spring comfort. Coordinating this exceptionally masculine layer with impeccably tailored dark charcoal denim creates a breathtakingly grounded, highly affluent visual aesthetic. Wearing a pristine white long-sleeve Henley underneath introduces a remarkably clean, sharply defined neckline that draws the eye upward. Adding a sleek dark titanium field watch seamlessly complements the rugged elegance. Integrating these brilliant transitional layers absolutely guarantees your style remains highly visible today. The distinctive shoe profile. Settling for generic, mass-produced sneakers immediately strips away your individuality, ensuring you blend seamlessly into the background. To command a room, your foundation must reflect immense personal taste. Oxblood penny loafers are an absolute revelation for the mature gentleman. The profound, deeply saturated red-brown tone provides a breathtakingly sophisticated, highly artisanal contrast that demands admiration. Harmonizing these magnificent slip-ons with perfectly tailored light gray chinos establishes a phenomenally crisp, immensely affluent spring palette. A navy blue lightweight merino v-neck sweater layered over a white shirt creates an exceptionally clean, highly masculine upper profile. A classic silver dress watch beautifully highlights the polished leather. Refusing to wear boring shoes is a critical step toward projecting absolute power. "13. The optimistic outerwear choice. Many older men hide exclusively behind dark, heavy coats, creating a gloomy, unapproachable silhouette that naturally repels attention. Embracing lighter spring outerwear is absolutely essential for projecting an optimistic, highly visible presence. A sand-colored matte coat offers a phenomenally sharp, deeply elegant architectural drape that instantly commands respect. The bright, neutral tone beautifully frames the torso and practically radiates established old wealth. Coordinating this magnificent layer with flawlessly tailored deep navy blue denim establishes a breathtaking, highly affluent visual contrast. A crisp light pink cotton button-down shirt underneath introduces a remarkably sophisticated, exceptionally masculine pop of seasonal color. Adding a gold automatic watch seamlessly finalizes the aesthetic. Mastering light outerwear guarantees your wardrobe constantly projects engaging energy. "14. The refined neckline advantage. Basic crewneck t-shirts often flatten the chest and completely fail to draw the eye upward, resulting in a tremendously forgettable upper profile. Elevating your neckline is a brilliant tactic for restoring your visual authority. A slate gray polo sweater provides an incredibly sophisticated, highly tailored collar that beautifully frames the mature face. The premium fine knit fabric practically screams quiet luxury while maintaining phenomenal spring comfort. Matching this exceptionally handsome garment with impeccably tailored khaki linen cotton trousers creates a breathtakingly crisp, deeply earthy aesthetic. This unique combination completely bypasses juvenile trends, firmly establishing you as a man of immense wealth and impeccable taste. A sleek silver mesh watch provides a brilliant metallic anchor. Refined necklines guarantee visibility. "15. The tapered silhouette update. Clinging to outdated, incredibly boxy silhouettes makes men over 40 look completely out of touch, instantly rendering them invisible to modern society. Adopting a softly tailored, tapered approach is absolutely vital for projecting immense personal power. An olive green knit blazer operates as a phenomenal sartorial weapon, offering a breathtakingly modern, highly relaxed structure that flatters the body perfectly. The rich color practically radiates established old wealth. Harmonizing this magnificent jacket with flawlessly tailored off-white flat front chinos establishes an exceptionally clean, highly affluent spring contrast. A crisp light blue denim shirt underneath provides a beautifully rugged, remarkably handsome core. Securing a classic brown leather chronograph watch absolutely ensures your daily presentation remains flawlessly sharp, incredibly relevant, and profoundly visible. Reclaiming your visibility is never about chasing youthful trends or wearing loud, desperate fashion. It is about embracing the undeniable power of immaculate tailoring, rich textures, and sophisticated old money aesthetics. By implementing these 15 masterful spring combinations, you guarantee that your presence will always be felt and profoundly respected. You have earned your status. Now it is time to dress like it and step out of the shadows. For weekly masterclasses on elevating your personal wardrobe, always remember to subscribe to the Man Style Decree.